My name is Sarah. My school name is. Write your school name. My school is near my house. I am passionate about learning and exploring new ideas regarding education. It is the place where I spend most of the time. My school is not very big, but it has everything we need to learn. The school has a mosque. You can write name of your place of worship where we can pray and learn about our religion. It is a beautiful place and has a beautiful environment. We all study and play together. The classrooms are decorated with chart paper and artwork. We have a library in our school. There is a nice collection of books to help us learn and explore. The teachers are also very supportive and encouraging. I really like about my school is the diversity among students. We all love and respect each other. My school may not be the most luxurious, but it provides us a peaceful environment. I am grateful for the education I got here, which will help me to build a better future for myself and all around the people. There is also a canteen in my school. It's a place where students gather to enjoy their meal. The playground also has open space where students can play games like cricket, football. The playground is also used for school events such as annual day, sports day, PTM, and outdoor assembly. The principal of the school is a dedicated leader. The teachers are very kind and cooperative. In my school, security is taken very seriously to ensure the safety of all students, teachers, and staff. It is one of the best schools in the city. I love my school very much.